The Blue Man of Cebu City, a fascinating human statue. If you happen to walk around the bustling streets of Cebu City, you might stumble upon an interesting sight, a human statue painted entirely in blue. Known as the Blue Man, he is a popular figure in the local community. He has remained motionless, standing in a stoic pose as crowds of people pass him by. Some stop to take pictures, while others drop coins into the hat at his feet, causing him to move. Nevertheless, the Blue Man maintains a calm and serene expression, with his blue-painted face shrouded in mystery. Many have been intrigued by the Blue Man's story, who he is, why he stands for hours on end, and what his presence signifies for the people of Cebu City. Some view him as a symbol of perseverance, inspiring others to remain steadfast even in the face of adversity. Others believe that he represents the city's resilience, standing firm through life's ups and downs. Regardless of the Blue Man's meaning, he has undoubtedly left an impression on those who pass by him. He is a fixture in the city, a recognizable sight to both locals and tourists, and a testament to the enduring power of art and expression. So, the next time you find yourself wandering through Cebu City, take a moment to pause and appreciate the Blue Man. Through his stillness, he embodies the city's spirit, strong, resilient, and full of life.